Today, I want to share 5 simple habits that can bring strength, balance, and new energy back into your life. This message is for you, the wiser you, the one who has lived, learned, and still feels that spark inside. If your mornings feel slower, your joints ache, or your energy fades faster than it used to, please remember, you're not broken. You're simply changing, and with the right care, your body can feel strong again. Let's begin with the foundation of all healing, sleep. As we grow older, sleep isn't just rest. It's recovery. It's when your body repairs, restores, and rebuilds. Every night, your heart slows, your mind calms, and your cells heal. But too often, we treat sleep like an afterthought. If your nights are restless, if you wake often or can't fall back asleep, please know, this is not something you have to accept. Aging does not mean giving up peaceful nights. It means protecting them even more. Try this tonight. Dim the lights an hour before bed. Turn off screens. Let quiet fill your room. Have a warm cup of herbal tea or read something gentle. Take a few slow, deep breaths, not to force sleep, but to let go. Every inhale fills your body with calm. Every exhale releases tension. Sleep is not laziness. It's your medicine. And each good night's rest becomes the fuel for a better tomorrow. Now, let's talk about movement. Stillness may feel comfortable, but it can quietly steal your strength. Start small, sitting for long hours watching TV or staying in one spot. Before long, your muscles weaken, your circulation slows, and your energy drops. But the moment you move, even just a little, your body wakes up again. You don't need a gym or fancy equipment. Stand up once every hour. Stretch your arms toward the ceiling. March in place for a minute. Take short walks through your home. Even seated leg lifts or gentle stretches count. Each small motion sends a powerful message to your body. I'm still here. I still choose life. Next, let's remember the healing power of sunlight. The sun gives more than warmth, it gives energy. Just 10 minutes of morning light can lift your mood, strengthen your bones, and help your balance. Vitamin D from sunlight supports your muscles and keeps your immune system strong. So step outside when you can. Sit on your porch, walk in your garden, or simply let the light touch your face. Even on cloudy days, the sun's gift reaches you. It reminds you that you're alive and connected to something bigger than yourself. Now, let's rebuild your strength, one simple movement at a time. Your legs carry your freedom. They help you stand, walk, and live independently. But if we stop using them, they weaken faster than we realize. So start today right where you are. Hold on to a chair for support and slowly sit and stand a few times. Lift your legs while seated. Do gentle squats or heel raises if you can. If you have resistance bands, use them. If not, your body weight is enough. The goal isn't to strain, but to reawaken your muscles. Each repetition tells your body, I believe in you. Do this daily, and your legs will answer with strength, stability, and confidence. Soon, standing up will feel easier and walking will feel lighter. Finally, let's bring peace back to your mind and body with gentle movement, yoga or Tai Chi. These aren't just exercises. They're moments of connection. You don't need to twist or bend like a young athlete. You only need to breathe, stretch slowly, and move with awareness. Tai Chi teaches balance and calm through slow, graceful motions. Yoga helps your body stay flexible and your mind peaceful. Both strengthen you without stress. You can do them in your living room, on your porch, or in the park. Follow your breath, move at your own pace, and let each motion bring calm to your body and focus to your thoughts. You are not too old, and it's never too late to begin again. Your body remembers how to heal. Your spirit remembers how to grow. Sleep deeply, move often, soak in the sunlight, rebuild your strength, and find your calm through gentle movement. These aren't chores. They're small paths back to health, joy, and independence. Walk them each day, even slowly, and you'll notice the change. More energy, better balance, deeper rest, and a brighter outlook. You'll stand taller, breathe easier, and live each day with renewed confidence. Aging isn't a decline, it's a refinement, a chance to rediscover your strength in a new way. You are not fading, you are becoming. Thank you for spending this time with me today. If this message inspired you, share it with someone who needs encouragement. And remember, every day is a new chance to begin again.